In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find your Redmi Watch 2 Lite if lost. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a feature built into the Mi Fitness app that allows you to locate any lost device. Keep in mind that this will only work if you previously connected your watch to the app. So if you didn't download the Mi Fitness app before you lost your Watch 2 Lite, then sadly there isn't much that you can do. But if you have the connection established, then all that you have to do is open the app, and in here you should still see your device. So go over to the device tab. If it is there, scroll down until you reach the system settings. So in here, look for the system category. Go into the system options. And inside of system, you will have the option to find device. So this is the feature that allows you to locate your Redmi watch. All that this is going to do is vibrate the watch. It is going to be a loud vibration, so you will be able to hear it nearby. So tap on find device, and it is going to begin vibrating. Then start looking around. Go to places where you might have placed the watch, see if it is there, try to hear any sort of ringing or vibration, and once you are done, you can tap stop here in the app or in the watch itself, and this will stop the vibration. Now, like I said before, if you didn't connect the watch or if you remove the connection, then this option will not be available. And if you believe that the watch is far away and you want to know its precise location, then to my knowledge, that is going to be impossible. There doesn't seem to be any sort of GPS locating software built into the watch, software or hardware, so as it stands today, this is the only option that allows you to locate it with ease. I hope I was able to help you on how to find Redmi Watch 2 Lite if lost. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.